Hey y'all, welcome back to rock natural. I'm coming to you today with a new video. In this video I'm going to be talking about two, not one but two wigs I got from Amazon. They're completely different. One is long blonde and straight, the other one is short brown and curly, or black or whatever. So I'm going to just be showing you, pulling it straight out the box, out the bag, putting it on so that we can see together how this wig looks. I'm going on a little trip and I didn't want to have to mess with my hair. Like right now it's out, I just washed it. After this video I'm probably going to twist it up, put it up so that I can wear my wigs. So before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and let's get right into the video. Okay, obviously before we get started I need to braid or twist my hair back. I'm just gonna do some flat twists because like I said, once this video is over I'm going to be twisting my hair most likely in mini twists. So I didn't want to do any braids or anything like that, and I was letting it air dry. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and I'm just like flat twisting these back, making sure I grab all the hair and twisting it kind of tight so that it is as flat as it could be. Okay, so then I'm gonna tuck the ends in the back. Let's see if one of these have a wig cap in it, and then if not I have to go get the wig cap. Alright, there we go, hair flat. So the first one I'm gonna be doing is from Liza Hair, and I was just searching on Amazon for hair. So in the pack it comes with the hair, wig cap, and a comb, fancy white tooth comb. So obviously I'm gonna first take this weave, oh there's two, it came with two. Nice. Okay, all right. I usually wear like a black cap and not a light brown tan. So here's the hair. It came with the cap on it. Okay, first impressions is really soft, super soft. And then it has some hair in it. Okay, and then it has the lace. And it has the middle part. And it looks like the front is already plucked. So let's throw this bad boy on. It has the combs on the inside. I love this wave. It's super cute. And the hair, like I said, is really soft. So, oh, by the way, if you haven't seen the video for this makeup look, go check it out. It says glueless, and I think I just need to trim off this excess hair. But it does kind of seem like it should be glued down. So I need to cut the lace, but what do y'all think? It's kind of big, which is surprising for me to be saying. Oh, but I can tighten it in the back. Surprising for me to be saying because I have a big head and I've been needing all the space. But let's clamp this in the bag. And the thing about this wig is that this is more like if I were to do a braid out or something like that, this would actually be really similar to my hair texture. Okay, that feels more secure. What y'all think about this? It's cute, it's curly. I like how it kind of has like the wet hair look. Obviously need to take off this excess lace, but it does seem like this one should be glued on, but it can also go without. Like as soon as I cut off the lace, like it feels pretty secure. Someone wanted to snatch my wig off, So some of the reviews said that it was kind of thin in the middle. I can kind of see that, but it's not anything crazy. This one is closer to, like I said, my hair texture. Cute. I like how it has like a wet look to it. So what do y'all think? Would you buy this wig? The tricky thing with buying wigs per se, let's say, is that it could be different for each person who gets the wig. But this wig seems like it'll be pretty consistent. So let me know in the comments below if you like this wig. Okay, I'm gonna take this wig off and then pull out the next one. Okay, wig number 2. So this is from Charisma Wigs. Told y'all, blonde. And this just feels heavy, so that's how you know it's a good texture. This one didn't come with any extra accessories or anything. And this is in layers. I was thinking I might actually cut this one because it's just a little too long for my liking, but I mean, hey. So I obviously need to cut off the lace off this one, but I just wanted to give y'all an idea of what this looks like. Too blonde or not too blonde. So this is my first time trying it on too, so I'm just like trying to play with it, get a little bit more comfortable. It's new for me, and so I'm just trying to get a feel on what I think about it. So this one does look like I would need to pluck the hairline just a little bit more because right now it's very straight. Right off the bat, what y'all think? I think I need to, let me show y'all the length. It's really long, like down to my butt long. And I just feel like I need to cut it. And I need to just like play around with it a little bit, but I wanted to come on here and show y'all both of the wigs. I like this wig. I just think I need to clean the lace, maybe cut it a little bit, and cut it because look, and I just ain't used to my hair being that long. So what y'all think about this one? I think I might cut it to, it's in layers, but I might just like snip it here. And that feels a little better for me. This you can put heat on if you needed to. Curl it. In the pictures on Amazon, I saw some curls in it. Ayy. Okay, wig coming off for now. I'm about to play with this one a little bit more. The other one, I feel secure about because it's easy. It's curly. It's basically the same length as my hair. It's just gonna take me a minute to get used to it, if you know what I'm saying. Whew. Brave. Have you ever taken a wig off after a long day? I'm also gonna take this cap off for now. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below on which wig you might be rocking or which wig was your favorite on me. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!